BAMTEC technology combines the design, manufacture, and installation of reinforcement. This method requires less steel and arrives on-site in rolls, making it 70% faster to lay than usual. It works with rods ranging from 0.20 to 1.40 inches in diameter and 5 feet 5 inches to 49 feet in length. Suitable for small projects as well as large commercial buildings, BAMTech is widely used for reinforced concrete floors and foundation slabs. With nearly 20 years of proven reliability, it remains a trusted solution. Flexum is a plasticine-like roof paste first introduced in 1985. Cut into strips, it is applied easily to seal ridges, corrugated sheets, or chimneys. Ready to use straight out of the box, Flexum allows roofers to work 5 times faster than traditional methods. It withstands temperatures from -13 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and comes in multiple colors to blend with tiles or roofing materials. Rooflight Company specializes in roof windows and skylights, even for heritage buildings. Their standout product is the Conservation Rooflight, a low-profile hybrid that works with pitched roofs between 17.5 degrees and 60 degrees. Sizes vary from compact 12.6 by 8.20 inches to custom large-scale models. Customers can add regular or motorized blinds, and Rooflight ensures preservation of architectural aesthetics through special gaskets and custom designs. Clipstone Pro Panel offers large-format stone veneer panels that need no mortar. Fixed with patented clamps, they are weather and fire-resistant, and more affordable than natural stone. With 2 panel sizes, 20 by 7.24 inches and 12 by 7.24 inches, they ensure hidden joints and versatile installation. Usable year-round, Clipstone brings elegance indoors and outdoors without requiring masonry skills. In Cupertino, California, workers reinforced large concrete silos using Rhino carbon fiber CFRP strips. This project required 249 gallons of epoxy glue and 6,000 square feet of carbon fiber. 10 times stronger than steel and resistant to corrosion, the carbon fiber solution ensured long-term stability for the structures. UPB is a leading Baltic industrial group specializing in construction. It supports projects from design to delivery, supplying facades, precast concrete panels, and more. Their notable projects include Grid 17 in Sweden, a 63,500 square foot building with rooftop terraces, and Denmark's Maria Elizabeth Hospital, scheduled for completion in 2027. UPB delivers prefabricated facade blocks with integrated glazing, wiring, ventilation, and fire safety features. Handheld Construction specializes in rolled concrete, RCC, a durable and cost-effective paving method. Poured with asphalt pavers and compacted with rollers, RCC gains 805 psi strength and supports traffic within 3 days. Often used as a base for asphalt, it is cheaper than traditional methods but may need extra leveling for high-speed highways. More than half of US roads are built with concrete, showcasing RCC's value. Temporary Wall Systems produces modular barriers used in construction sites, hospitals, and stadiums. These walls allow safe separation of spaces while remaining customizable with doors, windows, locks, and ventilation. Their aluminum, steel, and polyurethane structure ensures strength and durability, while customization options add versatility for client needs. Lamy KK 400 blocks resemble LEGO in their versatility, allowing construction of fences, pools, and houses. Each block measures 23.60 by 15.70 by 7.80 inches, weighs 59.50 pounds, and is precisely manufactured through diamond grinding. They can be plastered directly and insulated if needed, offering accuracy and flexibility in construction. Propex Scorelock strengthens coastlines and embankments using polypropylene mesh filled with local soil. Designed to last 200 years, it withstands extreme loads, works underwater, and supports vegetation growth. Combining durability, cost savings, and aesthetics, Scorelock is an innovative solution for erosion control. Azure Printed Homes builds houses from recycled plastic using 3D printing robots. Their factory produces homes 30% cheaper and 70% faster than traditional methods. A 904 square foot home costs around $200,000, and sections can be printed in just 4 days. Each 118 square foot section reuses 100,000 plastic bottles, making it an eco-friendly housing solution. FortaPro specializes in modular construction, delivering cost-effective buildings in 1 to 2 weeks. Their concrete modules reduce foundation needs and noise while using recyclable materials. Interpod focuses on modular bathrooms with over 28,000 units sold. Each unit arrives fully equipped and is operational within hours of installation, saving time and labor. Zaza Timber specializes in laminated timber for global projects like schools, bridges, and concert halls. They manufacture beams up to 78.70 feet long that can support 230,000 pounds, as well as custom staircases and trusses. Their expertise spans design to delivery, with timber used in projects worldwide. Perry's Variokit is a balanced concreting system designed for bridge construction. It forms sections up to 18.80 feet long and 600,000 pounds heavy. Variokit can bend or twist into spirals, with automation controlling dimensions. It integrates with other PERI systems for hoists and platforms, enhancing efficiency and flexibility. The TS6200EE by Top and Screed automates concrete screeding. Battery-powered, it distributes, levels, compacts, and recycles concrete in one pass, covering 22 square meters each time. With 11-hour battery life, it can handle 4,500 square meters daily without emissions, making it a sustainable choice for large-scale projects. Egicovoid blocks create voids in reinforced concrete to reduce weight and thickness. With a compressive strength of 2,000 pounds per square foot, they support walls and foundations until removed by water-induced deformation. Available in multiple formats, they are ideal for lightweight foundations and difficult soil conditions. Stofix offers a cladding system where bricks are pre-mounted on metal plates and filled with mortar at the factory. The result is lightweight panels, 7.50 pounds per square foot, that can be installed in any weather. With no height limits and full customization in color and size, Stofix simplifies cladding and insulation installation. UltraCore is the world's largest corrugated steel system, used in bridges and overpasses. The Polish WD-10 overpass measures 301 feet long and 85 feet wide, while the UAE's Shamil Bridge is even larger. Ultracore withstands temperatures from negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and allows bridges of 328 by 65.60 feet to be assembled in just 3 weeks. Gavico Bandfill is a road repair sealant supplied in strips or rolls. Heated with a torch, it fills cracks and joints quickly. Standard size is 16 feet by 1.40 inches. Easy to use with minimal tools, Bandfill is effective for road repair and precise installations of manhole covers or storm drains. Bicycles aren't just about fun and traffic-free travel, they're also about business. Back in 2014, around 132 million were produced worldwide. So workshops are arming themselves with tools that speed up and simplify work. A striking example is already on the screens. Thanks to it, the tension of the spokes is measured. The tool is sold calibrated and ready to use out of the box. No consumables are needed. A table of optimum values is included. So the craftsman only has to check the spokes and verify the data. Plus, the tool is compact enough 8 by 5 inches and weighs 22 ounces so that it is easily used with one hand. You can buy the cycling assistant for $130. New from the Germans at Bosch is a cordless stapler for working with nails and staples. It is part of the 18V powerful system. That is, it allows you to install batteries from other Bosch tools from the same system and is positioned as an option for crafts and repairs. Of the interesting options the Germans offer: simple adjustment of the impact force. It is enough to turn the wheel, built-in indicators of charge and staple levels. By the way, the tool holds at once 100 staples, type 53 from 0.20 to 0.50 inches, a decent speed of 30 strokes per minute, and compactness. The stapler weighs 2.80 pounds. They also write about the intelligent system Syneon. It independently adjusts the ratio of current and voltage depending on the type of work. Thus, the owner always receives optimal efforts, but does not drain the battery in vain. The price tag for all these joys is $124. A fun solution for handling coils of cable and cable wires. If they are not delivered to the site in reels, careful unwinding can often be a challenge. That's where the claw system comes in handy. It is essentially a portable and flexibly adjustable drum available in several variants. Typically weighing 16 pounds, it is designed for a maximum cable ring diameter of 29 inches. XL weighs a little more than 21 pounds, but can work with rings with a 39-inch diameter. The load capacity of both variants is 176 pounds. They arrive at the place of work in compact bags and are assembled by one person without tools. For the regular version, you will have to pay $357. Another tool that will appeal to both amateur and professional craftsmen. The universal articulated vise is suitable for most working surfaces thanks to the integrated screw clamp and allows easy transportation and transfer between working areas thanks to its weight of 3 pounds. The clamping depth is 1.50 inches. The jaw plates are removable, allowing the width to be increased from 2.70 to 2.90 inches. In addition, the jaws are milled, which means that the pressure on the workpiece is distributed more evenly. And the swivel joints have managed to be patented. Apparently, this explains the price tag of $60. This is a simple but no less useful tool that helps you find studs, screws, and nails in drywall. It works due to 2 rare earth magnets and greatly simplifies work, such as mounting cabinets and shelves, allowing the most competent placement of fasteners. The basic version works without power. The advanced version requires 2 3A batteries for the laser. Both versions are equipped with a bubble level, as well as recesses for easy marking with a pencil. The price tag is either $11 or $30. A tool that is sure to catch the attention of mechanics. This fork puller is used to carefully work on drive shafts, transmissions, and differentials. It will help even in neglected cases and provides a pulling force of about 11 tons, while the risk of damage to components is minimal. The manufacturer writes that the capabilities are enough for many trucks from Volvo, Kenworth, and other 6, 8-class trucks. The tool is made of stainless steel, and the number on the price tag is $500. The seller of this diamond drill bit is confident. These drills are usually bought to make holes under utilities in dry mode. That is without water cooling. Dry mode reduces the load on the craftsman and helps, for example, in work on objects with finishing. The drill is also suitable for reinforced concrete and is available in outside diameters from 1.60 to 6 inches and lengths of 11 and 17 inches. A similar version is 12 inches long. The manufacturer writes that the diamond grains in the segment are equidistantly spaced, and the segment itself is laser welded. We'll drill through anything, the seller adds, and asks for between $80 and $160 depending on specifications. In 2017, DeWalt promised a very interesting new product, a brushless, cordless cable stripper and wire stripper tool, and they kept their promise. It is already on the shelves and costs $85 separately and $462 in a set, with a case, 20 sleeves, battery, and charger. The essence of the tool is to remove insulation from THHN-type cable. It is used, for example, in machine tools and control circuits, and XHHW is used in conduit or piping to organize supply lines. Stripping capabilities are 380 square millimeters for copper cable and 456 square millimeters for aluminum cable. The speed of the direction of rotation is adjustable. In case of jamming, the system and clutch will help and protect the tool from overloading. Is it realistic to patent a wrench? The developers of this beauty succeeded, and anyone can appreciate their efforts because the wrench is already on the shelves. The idea is simple. Ordinary wrenches are sold in large sets, heavy and forced to constantly divert for replacement because the size of conventional nuts often have to determine by eye. The same model offers two versions that cover fastener sizes from 0.20 to 0.50 and 0.50 to 0.70 inches. Fasteners can be clamped on 6 sides thanks to extendable segments. This prevents edges from being rounded, plus the wrenches can even handle rusted and oxidized fasteners. Universal size for large and small hands, and soft, shock-absorbing inserts. Combines the versatility of an adjustable wrench with the simplicity of pliers, the seller assures. Priced at $33 and $35 for the wrenches individually, or $65 for the set. Another representative of the family of compact cordless tools, nailed a hammer gun, suitable for concrete, steel, and masonry projects. A gas mixture is used for work. One magazine is enough for 30 shots, one charge for 10,000. The weight of the gun is 7 pounds. Thanks to good balance, it reduces hand and wrist fatigue. Also managed to reduce the level of vibration, and work compared to other methods of installation will go almost dust-free. In addition, you can work at temperatures from -15 to +49 degrees Celsius, and the noise level will not exceed 91 decibels. The figure on the price tag is $855. On the screens is not just a knife, but an innovative tool. 2-in-1 convinces its creators. Without a patent did not do without. It was given for the switching mechanism that makes from a knife scraper and vice versa with one finger press, and on the reverse side added everyone's favorite opener, allegedly for paint cans. It turns out to be a very versatile tool, allowing you to remove stickers and cut something like carpeting. Plus, it comes with 5 universal blades. The tool weighs about 10 ounces, and the non-slip handle and safety button will make the work safer. You'll have to look in your wallet for $24. Want to literally take your work to the next level? An Italian company has a solution, an electric lifting cart that self-corrects the center of gravity. Wheeled and tracked models are available in 150 and 200-pound capacities. The width of 58 centimeters allows maneuvering even on narrow stairs. Approximate climbing speed is 27 or 47 steps per minute. The battery lasts for 400 steps. As a result, it is a good solution for delivery services and appliance repairmen. Descent to load, for example, a washing machine can now be done by one person. Except that to save up for such a purchase will have to long. You will need about $6,000. One cutter, many bearings. This is roughly the motto of the seller of these kits. The main audience is woodworkers and furniture makers. The sets are useful for rounding off the edges of parts. Available cutters with shank from 0.2, 0 inches, and the same diameter. A set of 6 cutters, 8 bearings, and a screw wrench costs a solid $279. However, given the fresh statistics from the US, where new home sales rose about 7% this January to about $670,000, the purchase will clearly pay off. On the screens is a conceptual drilling system that would come in handy even in the aerospace industry. The idea is this: in many cases, holes have to be drilled from the inside while in a tight space. This is necessary so that they match up exactly with other holes. But why agonize when the concept allows you to drill from the outside and with perfect accuracy and the position of the previously prepared holes? No more misalignment and no more holes crawling on top of each other. We put the miracle with a vacuum suction cup, turn on the ultrasonic rangefinder, and focus on the colored indicators. According to the author's estimates, the size of the system is 8 by 6 inches, weighing about 4 pounds. He has already assembled and presented a demo concept, but whether something like this will be mass-produced is not yet known. In 2019, members of the UK Parliament had to adjourn the House of Commons for a very specific reason. The roof leaked in the building. To avoid such bloopers, experienced craftsmen use moisture meters. These are devices that allow you to quickly find where the leaks are. The model with screens sees the condition of the roof at a depth of up to 6 inches. One person can carry out the inspection. The moisture meter fits into a compact suitcase and is equipped with wheels. The weight of the model is about 22 pounds, about the same as a bicycle, and 3 sensitivity ranges allow you to adjust to different types of roofs and always get accurate results. The speed of work on flat roofs in the neighborhood of 100,000 square feet per day, and ask for a boomer about $8,000. Craftsmen will not be left without work with these sprayers, which allow them to apply paints, enamels, impregnations, and other materials. The tool's adapted for both horizontal and vertical work. For example, you can make a textured popcorn ceiling. Spraying speed up to 0.7 quarts per minute. The tank capacity is about 1 gallon. Thanks to the built-in turbine, there is no need to buy an additional compressor. And lock-and-go technology simplifies assembly, disassembly, and cleaning. The kit comes with 3 nozzles, which, combined with 3 spray modes, make the atomizer more versatile and suitable for large volumes of various tasks. Oh, and the price is a reasonable $112. And this tool will allow you to carefully and quickly remove the doors. For example, before starting repairs to avoid scratches and other defects. The younger model lifts up to 264 pounds, the older model up to 440 pounds. The manufacturer suggests using them also for cabinets, containers, and other heavy things. The design is so simple that even an absolute beginner in repair work will understand. Thanks to a convenient pedal, the weights are moved smoothly and without dangerous jerks. The main material is nickel-plated metal, and the price is either $37 or $75. Just now, experts decided to calculate how many golf courses there are in the United States. They came up with over 17,000. Imagine the amount of work needed to keep them in playing condition. So the experts in this field have some very interesting tools, like this cutter. The depth of cut is adjustable from 0.60 to 0.90 inches. You can work on grass of any height of any type. For example, meadow bluegrass is often chosen for areas near the holes. The tool is ideal if you need to work on a small area, for example damaged due to the breakdown of the irrigation system. And the price, like a golf ball, flies far and high, to the mark of $535. This rotary nozzle can be used both for concrete maintenance and for repairs, e.g. to roughen the concrete. Degreasing, stripping, rubber removal, dusting, no problem. The universal nozzle allows bringing the working pressure up to 3,200 psi. It is available in several versions with different numbers of nozzles up to 10, and for different water flow rates up to 60 gallons per minute. The speed control is super simple. It is enough to slide the protective cover. The nozzle weighs about 2 pounds, but it also has a reduced vibration level and a patented sealing system. The price is available on request. Compact but powerful solutions for a wide range of craftsmen, from plumbers and tilers to restorers and welders. Concrete, tile, metal, stone, wood, no problem. The tool offers a kilowatt of power and up to 19,500 revolutions per minute. At the same time, it weighs 5 pounds and is thoughtfully designed to work in hard-to-reach places, but is not devoid of a nozzle under the dust extractor hose. The set comes with several discs, diamond for 2 inches and grinding for 1.90 inches with different grits, 80, 180, and 320. And all this is collected in a practical bag, also coming in the kit. The price of the question, $379. Continues the release of a slightly more specialized tool. Stapler for installing the grounding wire on LEP poles. It is designed for 2 by 1 inch staples. The capacity of the clip is up to 40 pieces, just enough for 1 pole. The main materials are aluminum and steel. The stapler weighs about 4 pounds and is designed to reduce the risk of falling staples or puncturing gloves. A built-in ruler helps you keep track of the distance between staples. A ring is provided for hanging and storing the stapler. In addition, a clever stop prevents the staples from being driven too deep, so you don't have to redo anything. However, they ask for all this, pleasure is decent. $150 for the stapler and $172 for a pack of 480 staples. The only pipe sealing ring on the market that gives a clear answer to the question of whether it is installed correctly. The thing is that when tightening the bolts, the connection reliability indicator is activated, i.e., you can work without a torque wrench and the risk of under or over tightening. The ring is suitable for sanitary and gas pipes and cable ducts. There are no loose parts, nuts from the factory built into the pressure plates, gas and water resistance of about 5 pounds per square inch. Of the materials available are EPDM and NBR rubber. The first is better electrical and acid resistance. The second is more resistant to petroleum products, such as gasoline and fuel oil. And installation is possible on pipes with an outside diameter of up to 16 inches and is so simple that the video instruction was put into 3 minutes. The price is available on request. A useful tool for cable workers, the shears allow you to carefully cut copper and aluminum cable with an outer diameter of up to 2 inches. The trick is the ratchet mechanism, which minimizes the effort required for cutting, minimizing the risk of damage. The scissors are 12 inches long and weigh 800 grams. The main thing to remember is that they are not suitable for steel cables and find $236 in your wallet. Well, what did you want? The manufacturer draws attention to the fact that this is a professional-level tool. Precision enthusiasts are closer to screens. This French torque wrench gets an LCD display, as well as a buzzer and LEDs to monitor tightening. The range of the 307 model is from 10 to 340 foot-pounds. 9 torque values can be preset. There is also enough memory space for 250 torque values obtained during operation. Operation is reduced to a single button and therefore consumes a minimum of time. The accuracy of the key is plus or minus 2%. For convenience, a gyroscope is built in, and since the interface on all models of wrenches is the same, it is easier to update the working arsenal. The price is $428. How do you sell stepladders for $385 for an entry-level model? Here's a solution from an American company. It is necessary to offer not just a stepladder, but practically a mobile fortress. Actually, this is how the ladder was named, and the point is to hold the worker as securely as possible. Installation takes place on the principle of one person, one movement, 1 second. The entry-level model weighs 13 pounds and can support 170 pounds. Among the cool features, automatic sashes and a smart last step. You step on it and it beeps. And the circular guardrail has a panel for tools, so you no longer have to run back and forth for them when working alone.